G'day everyone, this is John Bowe. I'm out at Gray's Classic Car Department and this is an absolute cracker of a car. It's a factory 308 Trimatic T-Bar Auto, power steering, and it is mint. You can see how good it is. It's got mega paperwork. It was built in 1972, 16th of the 10th, 72, lots of Holden certificates and authenticity. Come and have a look at the seats, the houndstooth. It is like truly a brand new car, except probably the paint's way better than they would have been back in those days. And it is beautiful. Becoming very, very, very hard to find, especially with the proper engine and all that sort of stuff. It's a beauty, and I'm going to have to drive in it just to make sure it drives as well as it looks and as well as it will run. So come for a ride with me. Here we are, built in 1972, and it's like a brand new car. It is beautiful. They're pretty hard to find nowadays. 72, what's that make it? 50 years old. 50 years old, wow. Time flies when you're having fun. Well, there you have it, 1972 308 Trimatic with power steering that is honestly better than new. It is beautiful. You would not get a better one anywhere in the world. Let's come and have a look at this. It's just like it left the factory. The restoration on this is fabulous. It's so good. It's just factory finish only. I'd hazard a guess to say the paint's better than it ever was when it was new, but it's beautiful. Factory manifold, all brand new, just amazing. The trouble some people go to restore a car is incredible, and sometimes they don't go to enough trouble, but this one certainly has. Just to show you the 5-star standard this is all around here, all beautiful, all factory finish, in fact probably better than factory finish. It's just absolute mint. Wow. Whoever did this job is an artist.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.